Hey, good morning everyone. There's been some questions about the ink maintenance on the G4, so I thought I would have you come in and see what greets me in the morning when I come in. If you just want to get a shot of the control panel here, you'll see it says gently shake white ink cartridges 10 times before proceeding, so that's what I'm going to do. There's a little latch over here on the side, and you can see the ink sets. I'm just going to take out both of the whites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to put them both back in. Now ours is a little bent because I've dropped it a few times. And then I'm going to click OK. That's it. So we are now ready to get printing. I hope that answers all your questions about the complicated ink maintenance procedures that we've got.